Hi there, welcome to another video on my YouTube channel. This time actually without making chips, because this is going to be the first video of my do-it-yourself CNC Community Project. It's going to be a series, actually a build series of the machine. And what you see here is the first part that I assembled for this machine. So I didn't show the model to the community yet, because I think it was around about two years ago when I published the first model of the community CNC build that I wanted to do, but I actually went a totally different route with the design, and I will show you the rough first concept idea right now. So you can see it's basically a gantry machine, but in a slightly different configuration than you would normally see. What I hope to achieve with this design is that I have much more rigidity in the gantry than in the commonly used gantry designs, because this is actually the back wall of the machine, and it's going to be bolted down with some custom made angles, and also through with some holes that are going through the bottom profile, and then I will mount it or bolt it down to the table with some M12 bolts. And yeah, that's basically the whole idea. The machine base is going to be made out of concrete, which will weigh around about 360 or 80 kilograms, which is pretty beefy. So yeah, but let me talk you through this first piece. It's actually a pretty simple piece. It's made out of 80 by 80 aluminum extrusion, which will accept up to 8mm bolts. And as you can see, this is actually the main structure. The pieces are 145 centimeters long, and the pieces in between are 10 centimeters high. So yeah, it's basically just a frame connected with those angle brackets, and yeah, it's pretty basic because it's just ordering the aluminum profile extrusions just at the length you need. Then you get it all pre-cut, and also I ordered those angle brackets, which is actually a fastener kit. So each bracket comes with 2 M8 bolts and 2 M8 T-nuts. So you basically pre-assemble those angle brackets, slide them in and tighten them down, and just move everything into position. And then for also this on the back, those spaces here, they also will get filled with concrete, just to get more weight into the construction and to dampen the vibrations that will occur during CNC milling. Maybe I also will fill the profiles themselves with some concrete, but I will see this as I go. Then for the front plate, I had to drill a whole bunch of holes, obviously countersunk with my drill press, and also those in the middle just with my handheld drill. And yeah, it's basically 12mm birch plywood with a melamine top coating, and that's it. That's basically the first part that I did for the CNC build. So yeah, in the next couple of weeks, if everything goes well, there will be more videos of this build. And also on top of here, there will be 15 or 20mm aluminum plate that goes all along the top profile, and this will accept the linear guides, or the linear guide for this side of the gantry. Because those profiles, I will give you just a close-up, they aren't really flat. They are bent a bit or a bit round, so this really isn't a high precision reference surface. So you totally could just bolt the rail down by putting in those T-nuts into the slot and then just bolt it straight down to the profile. But this isn't the way I want to go. Sorry. Just to achieve a bit more precision, I'm going to mount this 15 or 20 millimeter aluminum plate, which is precision milled right from the factory. Just bolt it down using those two slots, and in between those two slots there will be the bolt holes for the linear rail, and in this way I will have a flat surface which will be precise enough for my needs, because I'm not doing this ultra high precision milling. Just has to be good enough to get a couple hundreds of millimeters in precision. So yeah, I'm not chasing micrometers here, so this will be good and rigid enough for my application. And this basically wraps up the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it and you get an idea of what I'm going to build. And it's going to be a pretty awesome project. And I hope that some guys of you will also build this machine, because I really think it's going to be capable of some serious HSC machining, and also taking some heavier cuts than normal or other do-it-yourself CNC machines are able to. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for the next video. It's going to be awesome. See you in the next. Bye bye.